My name is Bruce Bell. I'm the director of Facit Homes. We are architecture, design, manufacturing, environmental engineering, all in one company. We developed a process which we call the D process, which is a technique that enables us to both design and digitally manufacture homes. It gives us real control over our projects, so it means that we can guarantee that the parts that we're designing get produced exactly as we intended, and that means that you get the quality, the performance, but also for us as designers you get the detail. You know, we love complex details, we love beautiful buildings, so the D process really allows us to experiment architecturally. By combining all of the kind of skills and trades into one company, so your contractor, your designer, your specialist consultants, we make a much more streamlined process for the client, but also a better end product. It's much more integrated, much less fragmented, much in the same way that the companies that manufacture goods do. We take a long-term view of building sustainable homes. So that means protecting the environment in terms of the emissions that the house might produce, but also providing security for the client in terms of rising energy costs, which is a really big factor. We are not only the first people to digitally fabricate homes, but we're also the first company to take this digital process onto a building site. So we're moving away from the traditional model of factory fabricated homes, which has never been that successful, into bringing digital fabrication and integrating it into traditional on-site building techniques. So this is our next project. Our foundations and footings are already in, ready for us to start. The container will be delivered to site, so we'll get all of our materials delivered here directly, and then we'll start putting the sheets through the machine, producing components, and then we'll take those components and put them in the building, start making the house directly.
I'm Joseph. I'm now the site rep on the Bromham Road project for Facit. All our materials are delivered here. We have our machine here, our CNC router, and we fabricate the whole building here in situ. One pro for Facit with regards to the design, I could call a designer in the studio back in London Fields, and within an hour they could have possibly taken on my comments and changed a future component, design-wise, which would then allow us guys to do something easier on site. So it's quite quick in that sense. We can have these conversations, I can mention a detail that wasn't working, and then it's improved.
One of the other things we're looking at is how do we take this idea further afield. So we've started working with a Danish company who are taking our D process. They're doing their own designs, but using our tools, and then we produce all of the coding and information for them so they can do their own production.